guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jeanine Amapola, and a long time no see, so sorry about that. I was in Bali for 2 weeks, which is why I have a pile of packages. This is what happens when you leave out of town. So what I'm going to be doing today is doing an unboxing, and I really don't do these as much anymore, but I asked you guys on Instagram if you like seeing these, and majority of you said yes you do. I don't know if some people find these annoying because people think that they're bragging, which I really am trying not to, which is why I was like, maybe I shouldn't do this. But to make up for that, I thought, why not do a giveaway? So in this video, I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. So I'm going to be picking 3 winners, and 3 of the winners will be able to win some stuff from this unboxing. And all you have to do is just comment down below what you want from this unboxing, and comment your Instagram username if you have one. If you don't have Instagram, just let me know, but I'm going to be announcing the winners on Instagram. I think that's just the easiest way to go about it. There's a lot of packages here, so let's go ahead and get right into this video and do a little unboxing. And I have tons of Bali videos coming as well, so stay tuned for that, and let's just get right into this. I already went ahead and opened up all the boxes just to save time, so we're gonna just jump right into this. This almost feels like Christmas. Okay, the first package is from It Cosmetics, and it is their Bye Bye Pores Leave-On Solution. Okay, so we got these inside. It's the Heavenly Skin Bye Bye Pores Brush, groundbreaking anti-aging skin infused brush hair. Ooh. And then this is the Bye Bye Pores Pore Refining Toner, Mattifying Complex Skin Smoothing Concentrate. I love It Cosmetics, so I'm excited about this. And then the Bye Bye Pores Poreless Finish Airbrush Powder. All right, neat. Thank you, It Cosmetics. Up next, it's also It Cosmetics, which I think if this is what I think it is, I'm excited about this because I was just running out of this product today. Okay, here's what it looks like. Oh, okay, it came a little messed up in the box, but it's the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara, and I literally used this morning. So I'm really excited about this mascara because this mascara is bomb. I'm using it right now. Definitely check it out. It's a little bit on the drier side, but I really, really like this mascara. So, okay, what's next? We have this. This is from Too Faced. Too Faced Melted Matte. It says, to celebrate the launch of Clover 3, a pretty limited edition soft pink mocha shade, our iconic melted matte lipstick. We're donating $25,000 to Best Friends Animal Society. Ooh. I feel like Too Faced always gives back, which I really, really like. So that's what it looks like. How cute is that? All the cute little animals. It reminds me of like Animal Crossing. Did anyone else play that game? Because I totally did. All right, thank you, Too Faced. Okay, up next. What could it be? Oh, whoa. bareMinerals Bounce and Blur collection with Hailey Bieber. Speaking of which, I love her and Justin together. I think they're the cutest thing together. I actually got to meet her at one of the bareMinerals events, and she's so sweet and just so like well-spoken. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's open up. I want to see what's inside these. Ooh. These are perfect for fall. So there's that. And these shades are gorgeous. I love me a good mauve shade. And there's another one. Super pretty. So looks like there's 3 shimmers and 2 mattes in this palette. And yep, there's 4 blushes. Super pretty. All right, thank you, bareMinerals. There. All right, next, we have Murad, it's just skincare. We have the Rapid Age Spot Correcting Serum and the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Now, I personally love any age spot lightening products because I tend to get really dark spots from the sun. That's just because I have like tan skin and my mom gets those as well, so this is gonna be awesome. So thank you, Murad. And yeah, that's the next thing in the box. All right, up next we have Laura Mercier. I love her products. Her powder and her primer, girl, it's bomb. If I can get it open.
But I already went ahead and opened up all the boxes just to save time.
Oh my goodness. Goodies for days. Her translucent powder, which like I said, I love. Face illuminator. I'm assuming that's a highlighter. It's in the shade Devotion. Ooh. Pretty. And then there's another one called Indiscretion. Oh wow, that's pretty. It's like more of a gold tone. And then we have Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Metallic Taupe. I wonder what that is. Ooh, that could be really pretty for fall. Speaking of which, I can't believe it's October already, which means it's spooky season. Fall is here. Bust out your pumpkin spice lattes. I know I will. Flawless Skin Glow Mask. Yes, give me a glow mask. The packaging is so pretty. I love that. Up next, we have foundation primer, which I actually used this one this morning. Okay, up next is the face illuminator as well in the shade Addiction. All right, that is everything from Laura Mercier. Thank you so much. And I'm also trying not to like touch all the products and like swatch them in case anyone wants any of these products for the giveaway. Up next, what is this? This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect. So I'm going to ACL, I'm going to Austin this weekend, and this would literally be perfect for this. It's a Herschel backpack, which I've never owned one of these before, and I've wanted one for so long. And the color is so cute. I don't know who it's from yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's from the brand Philosophy, which I love this brand. I use their facial moisturizers every day and every night. And this is a big bottle. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so perfect for my shower. And then this is also great because they give you a travel one for traveling, which I do a lot of. This is awesome. Thank you, Philosophy. Thank you for this adorable backpack. This is gonna be perfect for my weekend in Austin. There's that. Okay, moving along. This is from Fresh. I love this brand as well. Their packaging is always adorable. So up first we have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Then we have the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream, which I do use this every night. And then the Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream, which this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, so good. And then the last thing is the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. So I love that. Okay, that's everything from Fresh. Thank you, Fresh. Okay, moving on. Why are these boxes so hard to open? Oh, it's from Origins. I love Origins as well. Yo, I'm a sucker for skincare. I think that's what I realized in this video. Okay, it says Sweaty Sidekicks. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but okay. And they gave me Hydration Multiplier, which I could use that right now. Shoelaces. Oh, an external charger, their ginseng oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer, and I love these rubber bands. A little rubber band. This is cool. I want to try this out. But yeah, thank you, Origins. This stuff is really neat. Okay, y'all, there's so much stuff here. Moving on. Back to It Cosmetics. Another little baggie from It Cosmetics. This is super cute. This is their Love is the foundation brush. Now, I don't use foundation, so if anyone wants this brush, let me know, because I don't really use foundation. But these brushes are incredible. Their brushes are usually very, very high quality, super soft. So yeah, check this out. Thank you, It Cosmetics. We got a big boy here that says fragile, handle with care. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, what in the world? Oh my gosh. What is this? I think it's a mini refrigerator. Y'all, these brands outdo themselves. Look at this. Okay, it's from Philosophy. And I'm wondering if there's like stuff inside. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Okay, it's their Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream and their Renewed Hope in the Jar Philosophy, what is it? Peeling Mousse Instant Gel. So this is the facial moisturizer and night cream that I use, but this is, I think, a new one they just released. That's exciting. I actually really want to smell this. It smells super like airy. I don't know how to describe it. It smells just super fresh. This refrigerator is adorable. I'm not really sure what to do with it, but like, oh God. Ow, it pulled my hair out. Thank you, Philosophy. Got a mini refrigerator, turn up. All right, back to Murad. Oh, this is so great. This is the Invisiscar Resurfacing Treatment. Now, again, like I said, I have dark skin. When I scar, I scar. Y'all should see the scars on my legs. They're so bad. So this is really great. It lightens any dark spots. It says it'll do it in about 8 weeks. And that's really, really neat. I can't wait to try this out because I do have a dark spot on my cheek right now. And I'm excited to try that out. So thank you, Murad. Okay, moving on. We got a black box. Hourglass. Ooh. Okay, the Confession. It says refillable lipstick duo. That is so cool. How do you refill it? So it looks like this. Oh, that's pretty. Called Cherish. I Cherish. Super pretty. And then there's another little other one, which is the shade You Inspire. But I think like you can stick both of them in this packaging. I'm not really sure, but They're both really pretty shades. And then the next thing in here is their Ambient Lighting Edit Ghost Palette. Whoa, that's pretty. Really, really pretty. Thank you, Hourglass. Moving along, we have L'Oreal. Oh my gosh, yes! Y'all, this mascara is incredible. And also their waterproof one is the one I wore in Bali. What? What? Does it have my... Oh my gosh, it has my name on it. Y'all, these brands be doing the most. Like, find you a man that does this for you. Oh my gosh, that has my name on it. Thank you, L'Oreal, that is incredible. And I love this mascara. Wow, this is so cute. I love that. Thank you. 4 more packages. This is from Neutrogena. I love their makeup wipes. Cute bag. Oh, they always have the cutest packages. This is a little notebook, and they give you like fun stickers so you can like decorate it how you want. Up next, we have their blackhead eliminating strip to scrub. That is so cool. Yo, I got me some mad blackhead, so I cannot wait to try this out. Thank you, Jeanine. And then we have their acne treatment. Could have used this in Bali. Had a massive pimple just pop up on my cheek. That was cute. They gave me a pen for the journal and the oil-free acne wash, pink grapefruit facial cleanser. And last but not least, I don't know what this is. Let's open this. No. Oh my God, like I said, these brands be doing the most, y'all. It's a hair clip with my name on it. What? That is insane. I think I saw Kenzie Elizabeth wearing one of these and I was like, where did you get that? That is so cool. Thank you, Neutrogena. That is like so freaking adorable. Okay, up next, let's see. I don't know what this is, to be honest. Ooh, what are these? Vitamin Booster Body Nourishment Treatment, Face and Body, and Detoxifying Body Scrub Treatment. It's from a brand called Fit, F-Y-T-T. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oops, struggling. Let's see what the paper says inside. I've never heard of this before. The Superfoods Face and Body Exfoliating Mask Treatment. Oh, that's so neat. All right, super cool. Never tried this before. Can't wait to try those out. Thank you to Fit. Oh, I know what this is. This is just, yeah, this is bae. Does anyone even say that word anymore? Probably not. It's so outdated. But this package is from Sunbum, and I lived off this brand when I was in Bali. Oh my gosh. Wow, they really hooked it up. Okay, Sunbum, you're doing the most and I love it. This brand is incredible. I love their products. And since I'm like into surfing and stuff now, I was just in Bali surfing for 2 weeks. Their products were like everything. So there's a lot in here. There's sea spray, heat protector, 3-in-1 repair, coconut argan oil. There's 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, which I use this before I get in the ocean, prevents tangles. Detangler, I use this once I get out of the ocean. The detox shampoo, we love using this once a week as a conditioning mask, they said. Dry shampoo, which smells incredible. Conditioner, oh my gosh. Shampoo, clear zinc, which I use when I surf. Oh yes, this is so good for surfing. High performance zinc. It's like a foundation for surfing. It's insane. These are really, really great tinted lip balms. So I got a really big like sunspot on my lips because too much sun exposure. So these are really great to help prevent your lips from burning. The chapsticks with SPF 30 in them. Hair masks, which after the ocean, you need that. And anti-frizz oil mist. Your girl got lots of frizz, so this is great. And some body SPF sunscreen. This is awesome. And also the last thing is more premium zinc. This is amazing, and I love their products. They smell so unbelievably good. Thank you so much, Sunbum. This is probably my favorite package. I might keep these all, just FYI. 2 more packages and we're almost done. Here we go. Too Faced, Better Than Sex, which I don't know why, I just really am not a fan of the name, but okay. And we have both their mascaras, the Dang Girl one and Better Than Sex mascara. Both of these are really, really bomb. I've used both of them. Thank you, Too Faced. Love their mascaras if I could get it out. Ow, that's what was inside. Thank you, Too Faced. Okay, last but not least, not gonna lie, I purchased this one myself, but I was gone for 2 weeks, so I didn't get to open it until now. And you're probably gonna be like, what the F? Why do we care about this? But it's just me being a surfer nerd. These are racks for my roof for my surfboard. And I got a new wetsuit, a new wetty. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Look at this. My other one, man, it needed some help. So this one's nice. This is from Billabong. And just FYI, these are not up for giveaway. I purchased these myself. And what I got is surf wax. You gotta put this on your board. And then just like a little, like the comb to take the wax off. Oh, I lied. One last box. It's from this company called Good Science Beauty. And their packaging is super cool. Look at this. So there's a skin firming cream, skin brightening cream, hydrating face cream, and purifying face cream. I think their technology is really, really cool. The packaging is really, really cool. I've never used this before. This is a new brand to me. Excited to try this out, and hopefully you guys will try it out as well. So that's the last thing in this haul. I want you guys to see the aftermath of filming an unboxing because it's brutal. Okay, so thank you to all the brands that sent me packages. I really, really appreciate it. I really hope this video isn't taken wrong and like anyone thinks I'm bragging, because I promise you I'm really trying not to. And now, again, back to the giveaway. So I want you guys to now be able to pick out some things that you want from this video or things that you're interested in trying. So I'm probably gonna just be giving like a bunch of just random things to you, and then also you can maybe list out 2 things that you would like to try out of this video, and I'm gonna be picking 3 winners. I'm gonna let this giveaway be open for 2 weeks, and then I'm going to announce the winners on my Instagram. If I don't have someone respond in the next like 48 hours after I pick it, I'm gonna go ahead and pick someone else. So make sure you follow my Instagram. It's Jeanine Amapola. That'll be linked down below, and again, I'll be announcing the giveaway winners on there in 2 weeks, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for that. Like I said, I went to Bali, so I'm gonna have tons of vlogs from that. That is down below on my Jeanine TV vlog channel. I'm also gonna have a really big fun main channel video from that trip. It was seriously the trip of a lifetime, and I went to Thailand. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this was a little bit different than what I normally do, but hopefully you still found it enjoyable. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, Girl Scout. Get ready for some fall videos. Bye, guys.